So this is just a quick video just to show the little baby ducks that was hatched the other day. So we have 9 at the moment. We still have eggs, but we've got 9 of the babies, and they've come out today having a bit of sun, and Mum is keeping a good eye on them. I'm not quite sure how the quality of the picture is because of the sun, but if you can see, there's 9, there's 5 black and yellow and 4 grey and yellow. So it looks like the white ones had 5 and the grey ones had 4, but they're looking after them together, so it doesn't make any difference really. But cute. I'm going for a swim. They're all doing well. Right, that's all I want to say. Right, you see the new ones. Beautiful. Can you get close up? Beautiful babies. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you like what you're seeing, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. You know the score.